Hello everyone, today we will be talking about the ill-structured problem of how do teachers keep students with ADHD on task throughout a project or assignment. While doing some research on this problem, I found it was best to focus on the inattentiveness aspect of ADHD, and some suggestions were to break up assignments into smaller parts, as well as for the students to set and monitor their own goals. So a technological resource that helps with both of these aspects is called Wunderlist. This resource connects to the Universal Design for Learning because it helps guide the goal setting process, enhances monitoring, helps the students manage the information, develop self-assessment and reflection, as well as increase the importance of the goals and objectives. So any to-do that you enter into a list on Wunderlist, so this is the science writing assignment list, can be a goal or a specific aspect of the assignment. So let's say I'm a student, my specific goal is to turn in this assignment on time, and these are the completed to-dos that I have already done. My final draft was turned in by the deadline. So now let's say that I have received feedback on my final draft. So now my new step for this project is to revise final draft. I can go ahead and select the new due date for this step. I can then go ahead and assign the step to me. So the goal is to have the teacher and the student assigned to the list, and then go ahead and hit enter to add the to-do to the list. You can just go ahead and copy the to-do and paste it into another list if you need it for a similar task. So some pros about this resource is that it is very easy to use. It creates a clear outline for the students. If you want to keep the goal on the top, you can just drag and drop. There is also a mobile version, so you can take this on the go. And since you can assign the steps, you can know who is specifically responsible for what. Some cons are the amount of monitoring that the teacher will have to help the student with, as well as depending on the student's economic background, they may have limited access to this at home. So as the teacher, I may need to find some time to build this into the school day. So in my classroom, as far as how I would implement this, I would make sure that myself and the student are both on the list. The student will eventually work towards creating the list on their own. I will probably create a list for them to start off with, and then gradually work towards them becoming more independent. Only the student will check off their to-dos, so their goals as well as the specific assignment steps. And I will also talk to the student every day and note their class progress and check to make sure that that matches up with their completed to-dos to see if everything's accurate. And the students, I would also recommend them to utilize the reminder feature that this has to offer. So this is a great resource to help these students, and I look forward to using it in my classroom.